Hello and welcome to KoMo Do It Yourself. Today I will show you how to clean your hand mill. If you want to clean your hand mill, take the included Allen key and put it on the side, and now we can start with cleaning the mill. In the first step, we remove the funnel from the hand mill and put it on the side. Now we take the Allen key and loosen the two screws on the front side of the hand mill. When the two screws are loosed, you can pull them easily out with your hands. Now we turn off the adjustment knob and also the bowl of the mill. Now we remove the front bland of the hand mill and pull off the plexiglass. As a next step, we remove the static stone from the plexiglass. With our extra available cleaning brush, you can clean the grinding stones. The best way to clean the plexiglass is you use a wet cloth. When you are finished with cleaning your hand mill, you can assemble the mill in the reversed order. Please pay attention when you are tightening the screws. Please make sure that you only tighten them hand tight. Now we are finished with cleaning our hand mill and you can start grinding your grains. That's it from KoMo Do It Yourself from today. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at komo.bio. See you next time!